No doubt Luke and Greg pipped us at the post with their magnificent stag, but in terms of delivering quality meat to the dinner plate, I think we might have won that one. We've got your flank here from the trip. What are you thinking?
So what we're going to do today, Willie, is venison rouladen, which is essentially the flank and the belly of a red deer hind. We're going to roll it up, cook it, with a whole bunch of beautiful ingredients inside of it.
Sounds delicious, can't wait.
Yeah, let's get into it. So first up, we're going to lay out the flank of meat, add a little bit of salt and pepper right across it, cover it in bacon, add some Glass Eye Creek pretty hot meat sauce and a healthy dose of mustard. Spread onion, garlic and jalapenos right across the flank. Now roll this really firm, making sure that you keep all the ingredients inside as best as possible. Then we're going to tie it with some string. This can unravel, so make sure you use lots of string. Place the rouladen in a hot pan, sear it all over. For this dish, we're going to use the pressure cooker because we are under a bit of time pressure. And into that mix, we're going to add some carrots, onion, garlic, the flank, beef stock, and we're going to add some wild meat sauce just to give it that really smoky flavour. So once we're finished in the pressure cooker, we're going to put it into the oven and this will caramelise the outside. And to add to this dish, we're going to reduce the liquid from the pressure cooker to make a gravy. Ooh.
Looks good, Tim.
It looks delicious, doesn't it? The proof will be in the pudding.
That's beautiful. There's a lot of moisture retained in there. Although the meat's quite lean, just the bacon, the mustard, the jalapenos, well, such a nice mix of flavours. I thought it might be a little hot for me, but just right. And so cool to utilise a cut of meat that would usually end up in sausages or mince.
That wild meat sauce adds a bit to it too. Really nice.
So tender.
And then that awesome little bit of tang at the end of your mouthful.
Beautiful, mate. Great few days in the hill. Finished off with a fantastic dish.
A good all-round result.
Better hunting, everybody.
Better hunting.